Hi guys, so we finally arrived in our hotel. Today we're in Saranda, which is the south of Albania. And as you can notice, finally we got some sun and we ran away from the winter and the cold that we've been living all these days. And finally we managed to escape to have some nice weather here at south, but we want to show you our rooms. So we are in the hotel Bungaville here in Saranda. So outside of our corridor, this is what you can see right here. Let me show you.
It's very sunny, the weather is amazing. It's 17 degrees Celsius, but it is winter, it's December.
So, check this out. Let's put the key right here. And so, this is the junior suite.
We have a very comfortable bed. I just learned this trick. You can turn the wall. So whether you're in the bed or the sofa, you can watch TV.
Yeah, the nice sofas here. And check this out, guys. So
the reason we chose this room is just for this view. So we could wake up and see the sun.
And the beach. So this hotel has a private beach right there. Well, they're cleaning the pool today. I don't think we want to spend time in the pool. But also they have those apartments, guys, if you want to rent the apartment as well. The hotel is big. Very, very big hotel. Honestly, one of the biggest I've seen in Albania. I want to show you the bathroom because we have two bathrooms. So we have this one right here. Let me turn on the light. So this is the normal one with the bidet right there. A nice mirror right there. And this is the bathroom, guys. So we have here the shower. And we have here the bathtub, and you have the option, look at this. When you have in the bath, I can watch the sea, Monika laying down, and also TV. It doesn't get better than this, guy. I promise you, this is amazing. Hey guys! Welcome to Saranda.
Welcome.
This is the party city in summer for Albania.
It is. It's very famous for the club, especially in summertime. Now at this period of the year, not so much, but it's still a lot of people around.
Well, this is something that I tell Monika, and even last night. So now it's winter. It's not that cold. Honestly, we run away from the cold. And it's quite sunny right now. In fact, it's 18 degrees. I don't know how come Monika is wearing.
Well, I'm
sweater.
rolling up my sleeves because
Yeah,
it's very hot.
Albanians get very cold quite easy. So anyway, look how beautiful the sea is in here, guys. It's so nice, and you can see those boats over there. Now,
it's actually the port of the yachts or the small boats.
The little marina.
Nice.
So something that it really shocked me, because actually I'm shocked. You can see all those buildings over there. Those are apartments and hotels. Guys, right now 95% of them are empty. Yes, even the hotel where we're staying right now, I think it's only 4 rooms that are occupied. The rest are empty.
It's true, and it's actually a resort, and the resort it's pretty big. And yeah, it's true. It's only, yeah, I would say like probably 4 rooms.
So last night we came out for dinner, and it was only like 3 or 4 restaurants open, and the city is like a ghost town at nighttime.
It is.
But it's one of the most beautiful places in Albania, guys. It's beautiful, it's busy all the time, but like even now, just with the locals. So today is Sunday, and You see people walking around.
Well, it's because it's sunny and it's like kind of like rare in winter time, so Albanians will try to take advantage of that, just getting the heat.
So Saranda is so popular, guys, that during the summer they got over 100,000 foreigners only on this city. Now, I'm sure that the place is busier because all the locals and all the Albanians, they decided to come here for summer, for vacations.
Yeah, it's a very popular attraction, especially in summer. Like everybody from Albania comes in Saranda in summertime. Like it's a must.
Now, maybe you're wondering why the number of foreigners are not that high, but I'll tell you the reason why. This is a hidden gem, and
yeah.
I think the day people realize how beautiful Albania is, especially the south, Saranda, Vlora, Durrës, I think they'll start bringing more cruise ships. At the moment, we have 2 or 3 cruise ships that come here to this port. Now, here's a fun fact. That place over there in front is Corfu. Yes, that massive island is the island of Corfu in Greece, which I've been there in 2007, my first contract with Red Caribbean. It's a very nice place, but it's right there in front of us. Right here, you can see it, guys. All that is Corfu. It's so close that if you take the ferry, is about 35 minutes.
It's 30 minutes if you take the speedboat, and the ferry is like 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's pretty near, and actually everybody knows Corfu. Like not so many people know Albania. That's why it's a hidden gem, and my biggest wish is for everybody to know Albania and to come and visit. Our south is beautiful. The beaches, I could compare them to the beaches in Greece. We have rocky beach, the water, it's clear, it's very beautiful.
Yeah, actually one of the beaches, which is near Samil, the water is extremely blue. And also Vlora, for me the water was, there is another thing that as a Latino, especially as a Costa Rican, impressed me. The water in Albania, the sea is very calm. You don't have waves like the crazy waves
we don't have waves.
That's why you never see Albania on a surf tournament. They will lose, man. They have no waves here at all. It's so calm. So I can imagine during summer must be extremely refreshing to come here, because
it is.
Yeah, the water is still cold.
It is very still. It's cold. Winter, summer.
Yeah.
The water is always cold. Well, right now we're in the public beach, which is kind of like downtown. This is also downtown of Saranda.
Yeah, actually this is downtown Saranda.
The main boulevard. Okay, so there is a lot of hotels here in Saranda, so you'll always find a place where to stay during summertime. Only in Booking you can find like around 300 hotels, but it's way more than that. I believe it's like around 600 or something, because you can also find apartments from the locals. First time I came in Saranda, I was very surprised because everywhere I went, like people were speaking Greek, and that's because the borders are very near. It's around like 30 minutes by car. Also Corfu it's near, and people from Saranda, they go a lot there just to do the trades, markets, groceries, anything. So yeah, I was very surprised the first time I was here. You can find everything in Saranda. Summertime always, remember.
So this is the main boulevard here in Saranda, where everybody decides to walk. Especially today that is a sunny day. You see all the locals, they came out for have a nice walk. But there are many things to do in Saranda. Not only this main city of the beach, they have a castle on top of the hill. Also they have some mill very close. They have the ruins of Butrint. So it's a place with many options to do. And in fact, if you're gonna take tours in the boats, they will take you around the coast with it's so many places. Like Monika can name all of them.
Yeah, it's very nice. Well, there's so many, but... And we made it to another castle in Saranda. It's the castle of Lëkurësi. Every city, almost every city in Albania has a castle, and this is one of them. We are at the entrance right now. We are going to take that path over there.
Now, something that Monika should tell you, probably here was the coolest king from whoever was ruling at that time. Or, I don't know, maybe the person who was ruling the entire Albania say, oh, you know what? I have a castle in the south. You know why? Look at that view. That view is amazing. Look at that.
Oh, and a bunker. We have a lot of those in Albania. I'll just go on top of this, and that's the view. You can see all the coast of Saranda. Butrint should be somewhere over there.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. I love this view. That's a restaurant.
Just like in every other castle, on top of the castle we have built restaurants and bars for people to enjoy. Well, it's also only ruins here, so it makes sense that they built a restaurant and a bar.
So that's where we were recording earlier, and that ship over there, I hope you can see it. That's where we threw the drone. And the whole boulevard, you can see it from here. And look how many buildings and how many hotels. And there are way more here below and all over there. So yeah, they're empty.
My favorite time of the day to come here is before sunset, and it's also when you see all the lights from the building from downtown the city.
Yeah, must
That's
be
my favorite.
very, very nice indeed.
Yeah, but we decided to come here in the morning, so
It's actually almost not.
well, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Look at that gorgeous sunset. Okay.
And this is it for today, guys. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode as much as we did, because today we really enjoy every single minute of it.
It's true, we were blessed with the best sunset ever. The view was just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did. Okay, so if you really like this video, don't forget to share, like, subscribe,
And leave the comments below, guys. Any suggestions? What do you think about these places that we show you today? What do you think about Saranda? What do you think about the castle? What do you think about this beautiful hidden gem? This is it for today, and ciao for now.